Hello Bone.
Hello Sally.
You look so pretty.
You're so dumb. Question on my math homework. What is 2 plus 2? I know we're going into our freshman year of college, but I have a secret. I still pee my bed when I get scared of the boogeyman.
My sister who is 3 isn't even scared of the bogeyman anyway. My sister knows 2 plus 2 is 6.
I'm gonna dial 659. Someone insulted me.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean for you to call 659. Who is 659?
The police. Ding-a-ling. Everybody knows that.
Okay, I love you, marry me.
No, I need to call 659. I thought you loved me.